Top-of-the-line features: stainless steel fittings and braided hoses, simple control panel, no computer to fail or needlessly overheat, moisture indicator, quiet operation as low as 59 decibels at 5 feet distance, stackable frame design, sound insulating rubber feet, high flow air dryer, quick change capacitors, 5-minute head change, easy check filter gauge, triple filter plus air dryer, double thick stainless steel tank with 15-year warranty. One size for any office. It expands when you need to. Compressors are stackable for space saving without sacrificing performance and operation. The ultimate compressor, crafted by dental technicians with a combined experience of over 50 years in the field. Maximum power, unstoppable performance.